Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make Ghibli style art in Photo. After entering Photo website, we can log in to visit this page and then we can find Ghibli style here. If you don't find this, we can go to AI effects and filters, click it, and then we can find Ghibli style. Click it. Next, we can go to upload image. So click to go to file folder and then we can select an image. This is an image I downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I select this image and click open to upload the image. After uploading and generating by AI, we can find the Ghibli style arts. So if you want to have more options, we can click regenerate or we can change the style 1, 2 or 3. If you're happy with this, we can click download. To save the image to desktop, we can download in preview. If you have the membership, we can download the high resolution image. So this is how we can make Ghibli style arts in Photo. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will share with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.